Hello, everybody. This is Tarot Genie. Welcome back, and thank you so much for joining me. Best wishes of Makar Sankranti to all of you, and also thank you so much for liking the last videos. Thank you for your likes and thank you for your comments. So, Makar, I'm just feeling drawn to do this guided message for all the collective for Makar Sankranti. A very significant day astrologically भी, क्योंकि ideally on this day the sun enters into the Makar Rashi, which is the Capricorn, और Capricorn में जाके वो किससे मिलते हैं? अपने पुत्र से मिलते हैं जो कि सैटर्न है. तो पिता एंड पुत्र का मेल हो रहा है. सन एंड सैटर्न, दे आर you know meeting each other, and they're going to be meeting each other for one complete month. और सैटर्न और सन का स्टोरी तो शायद आपको पता ही होगा कि हाउ दे वर लाइक when Saturn was born, sun god never accepted him because he was dark in color, and how then the Saturn kind of glanced at the sun, and how he started diminishing. तो जहाँ पे sun is all about your yash and your life force energy and you shining bright, Saturn, his sun, is all about restrictions. It is about building structure. It is about foundation. It is about integrity. It is about doing the hard work. It is about justice, right? तो Saturn and Sun के कारण जो भी Saturn is all about discipline. All the things that is about structure, foundation, working it out. और जब आप ये सैटर्न की ये सारी चीजें रिक्वायरमेंट्स को टिक 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 करते हो, तब सन गॉड जाके आप पे अपना he shines his light on you. Then you shine like a sun. Then you get the blessing of the sun. Okay, so this was the whole built up. So in this reading, which is a collective reading, you might resonate with this. We will see what Saturn wants to tell you and what sun wants to tell you. तो ये Saturn और Sun क्या आपको कुछ मैसेज देना चाहते हैं? That could be related with your situation. Let's see this out. Okay, so first we will go and ask. Let's check out what message Saturn has for all of us. Okay, Saturn जो हमारे life में restrictions लाते हैं, delays लाते हैं, hardships लाते हैं, so that we can work on our skills and we can shine out of this. So is there any message, dear angels, that Saturn, the judge of the solar system, and wants to bring our way? Let's see. Okay, so we'll take surrender to success. So looks like Saturn is happy with all the hard work that we have done, and he wants to bring success. Now this is beautiful because अब sun enter कर गया है Saturn में, तो Saturn भी अब खुश है. तो क्योंकि उनके पिता से उनकी मेल हो रही है, तो he is also happy and looks like he is going to bring success for all of us. यानी कि जो काफी दिनों से मेहनत चल रहा था, और अगर आप प्रोग्रेस नहीं देख रहे थे अपने काम में, तो you have to believe in your self once again, and you have to start believing in destiny and things changing around you and expecting success for yourself. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे लिए Saturn ला रहा है. This becomes very important क्योंकि Saturn की promise है. Okay, this is the promise of Saturn which was delaying your stuffs. Let's see what more is Saturn seeing. Saturn is telling you, surrender the idea that you can fix someone. Okay. All right. And we have this surrender to creativity. Now, this is a very beautiful 3 cards that we have got, guys. जहाँ पे हम Saturn आपसे क्या बात कर रहा है? Saturn जो आपके लाइफ में delays ला रहा है, restrictions ला रहा है, उसके बारे में he is trying to tell you something. He is telling you, ये वाला बात मैंने explain किया, surrender to success. अगर आपको अभी तक सक्सेस नहीं मिल रही है, तो डोंट लूज होप, बिलीव दैट यू विल गेट सक्सेस. यू हैव put the right efforts, you have universe is acknowledging it, and you will get your dues. यहाँ पे Saturn जो दूसरी बात बोल रहा है, वो बोल रहा है surrender your idea that you can fix somebody. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. कुछ लोग रिलेशनशिप में इन्वॉल्व हो सकते हैं, कुछ लोगों को अपने आसपास के लोगों से प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. तो वहाँ पे दिस इज अ रिलेशनशिप डायनामिक्स वेयर if you were in problem with the people around you, you were not in alignment with people around you, there were problems, there were misalignment, there was confusion, people were not understanding you, you were not understanding people. 5 of Wands and 5 of Sword की एनर्जी है. तो सैटर्न आपको क्या बोल रहे हैं, क्या सैटर्न बोल रहे हैं कि माइंड योर ओन वर्क. And this is a very typical Saturn and Capricorn thing, guys. It is not about leading, it is about building yourself up. It is about being the change rather than expecting people to change. तो यहाँ पे वही अपना जो बहुत एसेंस है, वेरी सैटर्नियन एसेंस, वेरी केप्रिकॉर्न एसेंस को ही वो आपको भी दे रहे हैं. ही इज टेलिंग यू दैट यू कैन नॉट चेंज समबडी एल्स. सो अगर आपको किसी से प्रॉब्लम है तो स्टॉप एक्सपेक्टिंग that person to change, that you can fix somebody, because people change only when they want to change. When their desire to be the same, when their desire to change becomes greater than their desire to be the way they are, then only they will change. You cannot bring about any kind of change in anybody. You can only change yourself. And therefore, your happiness is not going to come from that, because I cannot guarantee you that this person will change, this relationship will heal because that person can change. But you can change yourself to bring improvements in this relationship. यानी कि मान लीजिए आपको आपके बॉस से प्रॉब्लम है, तो Saturn is not telling that कि आपके बॉस को मैं पॉजिटिव कर दूंगा, he will make him very understanding. But you can become more grounded in who you are and become self-aware of who you are, become aware of your real talents, ताकि आपको जो लोग बोले उससे आपको फर्क ना पड़े. And you can still stand in your integrity and your confidence and your light. है ना? तो वो चीज भी यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है सैटर्न. एंड देन अनदर थिंग जो सैटर्न हमें बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो है सरेंडर टू क्रिएटिविटी. यानी कि सक्सेस आने वाला है, अपने पे फोकस करो, अपने आप को चेंज करने की कोशिश करो. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब आप सारे सारे कोनंट्रम से फोकस शिफ्ट करके, सारे नॉइज से फोकस शिफ्ट करके आप अपने पे लाते हो, अपने को चेंज करने पे लाते हो, क्योंकि आप दूसरों को चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं, then you have all the time in the world to bring out your own creativity, your own talent, your own way of doing things differently. क्योंकि ये सारी चीजें, you have to be your own self, you have to do your own things differently, you have to bring creativity. तो ये सारी चीजें आपके रिस्ट्रिक्शन से रिलेटेड है, लिमिटेशन से रिलेटेड है. ठीक है, अगर आप कोई चीज काफी दिनों से सेम ढंग से कर रहे हो तो अपने ढंग से करने की कोशिश करिए, क्रिएटिव ढंग से कोशिश करने की कीजिए. सक्सेस इज वेटिंग फॉर अस. तो ये सारी चीजें हमारे लिमिटेशंस के बारे में सैटर्न हमें बताना चाहते हैं. बैक ऑफ द डेक में देख लेते हैं. कुछ लोगों के लिए डिनायल भी हो सकता है. नाउ डिनायल ऑल मीन्स दैट यू एक्सेप्ट सिचुएशन एज इट इज and continue to flow with the wheel. Okay, because if you continue to flow with the wheel, unless and until you accept something, don't deny it, you are moving forward and you are in the right place. So that is what Saturn wants to tell us. Now let's see. Saturn ने तो अपनी बात बोल दी है. अब हम चलिए देखते हैं सन गॉड जो सैटर्न के पिताजी हैं वो क्या हमें बोलना चाहते हैं. क्या वो अपने बेटे से सहमत है, नहीं है, उनकी क्या प्रॉमिस है, चलिए देखते हैं. All right, let's take this. What Sun wants to tell us. We rejoice when you find love. Love comes in unexpected ways. All right, this goes beautifully here if you see. We rejoice when you find love and love comes in unexpected ways. Exactly. आप यहाँ पे किसी को change करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. You are trying to change a relationship and you are really trying hard to fix somebody, and Saturn has already told you that you cannot fix anybody. Let's read this, what it means. It is time for a relationship to shift. It doesn't work to try to fix someone. Each person must be accountable for his or her own healing. ठीक है, कभी कभी हम किसी को हील करने की जिम्मेदारी ले लेते हैं, but we cannot do that because you cannot change a person till they themselves want to change. And यहाँ पे अगर कुछ यहाँ पे आप लॉस फील कर रहे हो, you love that person and still you are not able to help that person, then here is a promise from Sun God that is telling, we rejoice when you find love and love can come in unexpected way. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि यहाँ पे अगर आपको you are feeling the loss of love, then love is not going to come your way. You're not going to get success. Love has many ways to come in your life. Maybe if you let that person be, allow that person to heal on it their own, maybe they get the time and space to think, reflect, and come back to you. ठीक है, with a new realization. तो कहने का मतलब है कि don't try to force control something over here. And यहाँ पे the image which is very beautiful. You have your hand and there is, it's like if you, this is your hand and somebody is holding your hand. So there is love behind. There is something to fall back on. Uh, you are safe. You are secure. There is love around you, and there will be love around you soon if you don't see that. If you feel restricted in love, as if there is nobody to hold your hands, you feel very alone, you try to help somebody and people don't try to understand you, be assured that you are safe. Universe is holding you. You are secure, So universe has your back. Okay. Universe has your back. Let's see what other message we are getting. Talk to us. We are listening. Okay. So here is this again, some of us are feeling very lonely. We are not able to express ourselves. And you have the message, talk to us, we are listening. Now, this beautifully relates to the creativity. As if ki you are feeling blocked creatively. As if ki there is nothing that you can, you're not get when you are creative, what really happens? The juices flow, the creative juice keep flowing, and you are happy to experiment and do new things. But when you are feeling blocked creatively, you feel that when the juices are not flowing, you feel blocked creatively, and like you're feeling blocked and you don't know how to express yourself. And this is what the universe is telling, that we are listening. We also have your back. It's okay to, you know, explore your ideas. And both the places, if you see, they are telling you, we are listening. We have your back. Love is coming this way. So let's see what more message we can get. Okay, we have this. Go out and plant new life seeds, sow for your future. So this is the message that comes. It's time to get go out and plant new seeds. It's time for you to plant new seeds. It's time to get started with something new, which means that get started with something new. The sun god is telling you to get started with something new. And that will have your future. Go out and plant new seeds, sow for your future. So start looking forward towards your future. तो ये मैसेज हमें आ रहा है सन गॉड से. चलिए देखते हैं और क्या मैसेज हमें आता है. Completion, which goes well with success. Something is coming beautifully full circle and it is leading to completion, getting you success. It's time to look forward to future and not what, and look forward to what will go right rather than for going wrong. यहाँ पे health का है, so definitely this means yeah, this is strongly talking about your relationships here. It could be professional, it could be personal, doesn't really matter. But whatever it is, you two trying to control too much the situation through your relationship might impact your health. So it's time to heal and let it free. Teachings and learnings. So what do we have here? We have creativity, Here we have listening and we have teachings and learning. So teaching, learning, do you need to, learn something here to bring out your creativity? Do you need to learn to tweak things? Do you need to learn to do your things your own way? Do you need to learn to um, doing things in a different way, your way? So this is what it is. Bring out your creativity. Um, if you are stuck in some kind of a rut and you feel very blocked, then just try to think outside the box of a creative solution. So that is what universe is telling you for your own breakthrough. And maybe, we are listening. Maybe ask the angels and ask the universe for a solution. If you are stuck in a situation and you don't know how to get out of it, just ask the universe. And it happens so many times with me when I'm stuck in a problem and I just set an intention, help me through this. And through some way or the other, the solution comes in you. Either you happen to read a book, you come across a video, you come across some sign from the universe, and like, yeah, yes, this is the way out. So just this universe is listening largely means for a lot of you, if you are resonating with the meaning, that just put your question to the universe. If you are feeling creatively stuck, how to get out of this? कैसे बाहर निकलना है इससे? Ask the universe, you will get the solution. And for some of you, it is definitely related, कुछ सीखने से related हो सकता है. Try to tweak things around, कुछ सीख के, bring it out creatively. Maybe it could relate to somebody, learning something, going for a course, going for some kind of degree, going for some kind of certification to bring out the creativity or learn something and all that. Okay, so what else? Sun and Saturn, the duo, the father son duo, are trying to tell us over here for Makar Sankranti. Let's see. Shine your light. Exactly. It's time to success. It's time for a completion and you are heading towards success. So start looking out for future and start be ready to shine. Okay, so we have this card. लव योर सेल्फ. कितना सही मीनिंग है यहाँ पे. देखिए, आप किसी को फिक्स करने में इतने ज्यादा फोकस्ड हो गए हैं कि आपने अपना फोकस अपने से हटा के दूसरे पे शिफ्ट कर दिया है. एंड यूनिवर्स वांट्स टू ब्रिंग योर फोकस बैक टू यू. फर्स्ट यू फिल योर ओन कप, लव योर सेल्फ, टाइम टू हील योर सेल्फ, take care of your own health, and you are always protected and blessed. Even if you feel that you take care of somebody so much and they don't give a damn, remember that universe always supports you, always has your back, and they are always loving you, and you will never fall because universe has your back. Okay, so love yourself, lovely people. Love yourself. Okay, this is a relationship reading coming for somebody. Could be personal and professional. You could be having that hard boss taking your power, could be into some kind of relationship, maybe somebody else, but it's time to shift the focus to yourself. That is what suns, Saturn, and even your angels want you to know. Okay, let's see. Be decisive. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या देख रहे हैं? यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि आप blocked feel कर रहे हो, और blocked feel कर रहे हो, and universe, Saturn, sun god, Saturn is telling you that why are you stuck in this rut? Saturn is bringing this, you might blame the Saturn, ki why is this not moving out? Why is this not coming full circle? Why this delay? Why this restriction? But Saturn wants to tell you, along with all the universe and your angels, that be decisive about something. Like, just decide. I want to get you out of the rut. I want you to move beyond these limitations and delays, but you got to be deciding on something. You need to kind of make up your mind. There is a creative block. Some of you could be writers feeling the creative blocks and into, doing these creative projects. So kind of decide something, ask for solution, listening, ask for somebody who can really help you see things in a different way. Okay, teaching and learning. And this doesn't necessarily has to be always going for a course. It could be just taking a different opinion, different way of seeing at things. When somebody gives you a different perspective and you are like, wow, yes, I can do that. So, but yes, it's time to stop procrastinating and deciding on something. It's time for all of us to look forward, guys. So this is what we have, and what else can we pull? Hmm. Love yourself, be decisive, shine your light, and all right. So let's pull the tarot here, and let's see what guidance can we get from here. What we need to know, anything coming. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, this is so great. 21 world completion. We have already got the completion card here. Here, the world is coming again. Beautiful full circle, guys. And it's time for you to shine bright. Okay. So, all the people who are feeling the restriction, it's been a long, long, long journey. When is this going to come full circle? I have been putting in the hard work. It's been way too long. I am finally standing at the 21st step. When is it going to come full circle? So, well, it's time for you to shine because things are coming full circle for you. Okay, you have been putting in the hard work long time, and universe is acknowledging that. Okay, surrender to success. King of Cups, love yourself. Exactly. Doesn't this make sense? Hmm? You become King of Cups when see, guys, there is an end and rebirth of something, okay? Here. You got to stop fixing something, a situation, or people that you are fixing, okay? And then only you allow it to heal and regrow if it has to, if it is meant to. So it's time for you to love yourself. Maybe, you are this King of Cups who has forgotten to value themselves. And it's always like, a king of cup is somebody who is very understanding. He has mastered his emotions, and his cup is so overflowing with love and emotions, and they are all so well sorted that he can really pass it on to people, other people. But you cannot be depriving yourself of self love and then pouring in others cup. You got to secure yourself. You got to be taking care of yourself. So it's time for you to love yourself. It's time for you to revisit the lessons of a King of Cups. So this could be somebody who is very mature, and yet they are feeling that they are not able to change somebody. Then what is wrong with me? You cannot change somebody. You can only um, you can just help somebody see things in a different way. And if they are open to receiving, they will they will flow with it, or they won't flow. But now it's time for you to get back to your heart center, is what I'm picking here. High Priestess and Ace of Wands. And what does that tell us? It tells us that it's for you to tap into your creativity. Ace of Wand. Wand is all about creativity, your creative juice, your inspiration, and you're feeling blocked in your inspiration. And universe is telling you all the things that we just talked about, to decide on something, go to learn something, try to do things differently, bring out your creativity, tap into your intuition, creative power, and maybe, ask for help. Ask for help from universe, nature, through science and chronologies, or just take a different look at your situation. Ask for help, and that's how you do it. So this is what we have here, right? It's time for to look forward. It's time to look forward. It's time to decide and look forward. So that is what we are getting here. Mm. So let's end this with one final message from our Keepers of the Light deck. Let's see what is your blessing coming. Final sum up of the blessings. Let's see. Divine alchemy, move beyond current challenges, focus on what you desire. This becomes very true. You have to, success is around the corner, and you must be focusing on what can go right rather than what can go wrong, because then you just interfere with all the beautiful things in your vicinity, in your surrounding that universe is sending you, and you just scatter them. So keep focusing on what you want. Success is your way. Things are coming to completion. You have arrived on the world stage. And what else? It's time to look forward to future. It's time to look forward to future because beautiful success is promised here. World is coming full circle, and it's time to look forward. Okay, it's time for you to start planning for future. Now that this is coming full circle beautifully with success and shining your light. Infinite abundance. Ganesha is promising you infinite abundance in your relationship, in your material life, in your health and wealth. So there is definitely end of obstructions through a big transformation that can bring rebirth as well. So stop resisting and let and surrender here. I'm getting a feeling of surrender. Let go of your situation in to Ganesha, and he will take care of all that is obstructing, keeping it limited, and he will let things flow for you. You need to surrender your situation to Ganesha. He will take care of it. He promises a better times, abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and divine order. Do what you feel is right? An important lesson is unfolding for you. Okay, so what message do we have here? Divine order. And this is telling you do what you feel is right. An important lesson is holding for you. So yahan pe, you see there is a lot of things to do. Yahan pe you have to let go. Yahan pe you have to be in receiving. If you're resonating with this part, then there is a blockage, a creative blockage which is stopping you. You need to decide something. You need to decide. You can decide on taking a different perspective, different suggestion, learning something, certification, doing your things your own way to bring out the Queen of Wands in you. Tap into your intuition, do things creatively, do things out of the box. But first, you have to decide it. But there is definitely that you need to do here. Do what you feel is right. Something that you feel is in alignment. You need to decide on that and go ahead doing that. And you will learn a lot. You will learn through your creativity. You will learn to do things in a different way. And when you do all that, success is coming for you. Things will become beautifully full circle, and it will be your time to shine your light on the world. Okay, so let go of something and flow with the wind. So that is all the guidance I have for this Makar Sankranti collective message for everybody. Message from the Saturn and the Sun, the Father and the Sun duo. Do let me know, guys, what you feel about it. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you again. Take care and bye for now.